Привет,
Hello everybody,
AGB
this is AGB
серия
Genio series.
Genio. Вот так выглядят ключи.
This is what the keys look like. 3 rows of pins, up, down and side. Up and side are not active, so only the main row is working.
Фольгу ложим на основной ряд.
We put the foil on the main row.
Обычная 0,5.
Regular 0.5 mm foil, you can use 0.6 mm, but I will use 0.5.
Ну, во-первых,
We use a reinforced handle, firstly to make it easier to work with such a handle.
даже если не откроется, его можно просто силой прокрутить.
And if the lock jams during operation, or even if it does not open, you can simply turn it by force with such a handle. Openability is 100%. You can say that it is 100%.
Все как обычно, берем полоску.
Everything is as usual. We take a strip of foil and make a shape on the back side, here on the side.
Налаживаем вот эту
Smooth this part on its side
полностью со всех
and
сторон.
completely on all sides. Smooth it on top, smooth it on the side. This rib
Полностью придаем форму.
on all sides. Completely give it the shape.
Носик нормально, чтобы ничего не...
The nose should be normal so that nothing sticks out.
Ставим на рабочую часть.
Then we put it on the working part.
Заводим.
Carefully insert.
Большой силы не нужно при работе.
You don't need to apply much force when working. You only need to use force if it hasn't opened yet. Then we'll twist it by force.
То есть силой применяем только...
That is, we use force only if it jumps or if it starts, well, such a big move, such a big backlash.
большой, тогда уже можем
Then we can apply force.
применить силу. Берем следующий.
Let's take the next one.
Вот.
Here, backlash. This is a big backlash.
То есть вчистую
That is, it won't go clean already. It won't open without damage already. Now, if you need to keep the lock intact,
ставим фольгу. Ну, ставим по новой.
then replace the foil. If it doesn't matter for you whether the lock remains functional or not, then just continue now with jerks and swinging. Simply tear it off by force.
Ну, он при этом...
Well, it will not necessarily break, but there is a high probability that the key may no longer work after this.
Сейчас проверим.
Now we'll check the key.
Тут,
Well, in this case, it is still functional,
может быть,
but it might not be in other case. It might not be.
берем третий.
Let's take the third one.
такие вот чудеса.
So these are the kind of miracles.
Отличные замки.
Excellent locks. They open, so to speak, 100%. The price of the tool you can find on our website. The link is under this video. Bye.